Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you trying to clean your HP Deskjet printhead? This can fix a lot of issues, such as printer not printing, bad printing results, etc. In today's video, I'll show you different methods to clean a Deskjet printhead. For one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, without further ado, let's get started. Method 1. With the HP Smart app. Open your HP Smart app. Tap on the Deskjet printer you want to clean. Scroll to the Tools section and tap Alignment and Maintenance. Go to Clean Printhead, then tap on Clean button and wait for the printhead to clean. If printing the printhead with the HP Smart app helped, subscribe to our channel. If you're facing more problems with the HP printer, please let us know in the comments. Method 2. Cleaning manually. Open the front cover of your printer. Wait a sec for ink cartridges to slide into the replacement position. Gently push the cartridge back to release them. Pull the cartridge out without touching the contacts. Then, take a dry, lint-free cloth and carefully wipe the contacts on each cartridge. Slide the cartridges back in. Close the front cover and you're good to go.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.